Cameron?
83.
Nope, that wouldn't be 1 less. What's 1 less than 90? If you need help, look at your 100 chart. Look at 90 and look at what's 1 less than 90, or 91. Cameron?
90.
90. What's 1 less than 90?
89.
89. Good job, Kira. What's 1 less than 89, Tamaya?
88.
88. Good. Number of the day today is 28. Everybody say 28.
28.
I need some number sentences that equal 28. Kendrick, I love your hand up so many times today. Give me a number sentence. Something that equals 28.
28 equals 0 to 8.
Not 28 equals 0. 28
Plus 0.
equals 28 plus 0 equals what, Kendrick?
28.
28. You got it. What's another one, another number sentence that equals 28? Aaron?
26. And 26 plus 2 more.
Good job. 26 plus 2 equals 28. How about some subtraction number sentences? Say, Brianna?
78 take away 50 equals 28.
Yeah, how did you figure that out?
Because I had count tens back.
Wow, good job, Jay, Brianna. Makai?
1 plus 1.
Thanks for being so patient, first grade, while we're waiting. Keep thinking, Makai.
Plus 27 equals 28.
1 plus 27 equals 28. All right, counting today, we're starting at 275. Everybody say 275.
275.
We're counting by ones. Show me 1.
1.
Show me 1. Brian, waiting for you. Okay, put them down. What is 1 more than 275? Marquez, what's 1 more than 275? What comes after that when you're counting? 275.
276.
276. Good job, Marquez. We're going up by ones. So as soon as I see everybody's eyes up here, Makai, I'll know you're ready to count. Khalil, waiting for you? Ready? Here we go. 275. 276. 277. 278. 279. 280. 281. 282. 283. 284. 285. 286. 287. 288. 289. 290. 291. 292. 293. 294. 295. 296. 297. 298. 299. 300. 301. 302. 303. 304. 305. I like the way all my first graders stopped when we got up here. I can tell everybody had their eyes up there while we were counting. Good job. Problem of the day. I'm going to read it to you. It says Tatiana scored 40 points. So Tatiana, she scored 40 points in the game we were playing. Kendrick scored 10 more points than Tatiana did. How many points did Kendrick score? So I want you to think. Tatiana, she's got 40. Kendrick scored 10 more than Tatiana, so Kendrick's number is going to be bigger. What's 10 more than 40? Jakaya. 50. Kendrick scored 50 points because that's 10 more than 40. Who won the game? Who won the game, Cameron?
Kendrick.
Kendrick did because Kendrick's points were bigger than Tatiana's points. One more thing for today, addition and subtraction, fact family. My numbers are 1, 4, and 5. Raphael, can you give me a number sentence, please?
4 plus 1 equals 5.
4 plus 1 equals 5. Good. Cameron?
5 take away 1 equals 4.
5 take away 1 equals 4. Dabriana?
5 take away 4 equals 4.
5 take away 4 equals 1. Last one, it's an addition problem. Tatiana?
1 take away 4 equals 5.
Last one is an addition problem. 1
plus 4 equals
1 plus 4 equals 5. If I have 1, Tatiana, could I take 4 of them away? Nope. All right, first graders, I need you to stand up like a soldier, please. Thanks, Makai. Good job. We are going to get ready to march back to our desks. I need to hear your voices with me saying left, 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 right, left. When you get to your desk, you can keep your desks cleared off, Marquez. Thanks for standing so strong and being such a good example. Brian, we're waiting for you. Clifton, we're waiting for you. Ready on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Left, 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 right, left, 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 right, left, 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 right, left.
One more time.
Left, 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 right, left.
Good. Seat in your desks, please. Well, our numbers. We're going to learn today how to use dollar signs and decimal points because before Clifton, we've only used cent signs. But today, we're going to learn how to use dollar signs. Let's say I went to a store and I needed a new pencil for school. And that pencil cost 38 cents. We've seen numbers like that before. We've added cents together for a long time. But what happens if it costs more than $1? What happens if I go to the store and I want to buy markers and my markers cost $2.56? Am I going to write it like that? Khalil, what's your idea? I'm supposed to write it with a dollar sign. When I have something that costs more than $1, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a dollar sign. I want everybody to use your finger, and let's make a dollar sign together. You make an S, and then you put 2 lines through it. I want you to do 2 of those by yourself in your desk with your finger. Make an S, put 2 lines through it. S, put 2 lines through it. Good. So now I have my dollar sign. That's the first thing I need to do when I'm writing dollars. Then, if I have $2.56, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write how many dollars I have. How many dollars do I have? Or how many dollars do the markers cost, I should say. Makai?
So you got $2.56.
So how many dollars do I have? $2. And then we need to do something special to show how many cents I have. Between your dollars and your cents, do you know?
Yeah.
What is it?
You're supposed to have a little number.
Not a little number. We're going to make a decimal point. And a decimal point looks like a period when you're writing a sentence. A decimal point is going to split up how many dollars you have and how many cents you have. So my markers cost $2.56. So here's my $2. I'm going to put my cents after my decimal point. So if those markers cost $2.56, you're going to see it written like that on the tag. You're not going to see it written like 256 cents. Let's try another one. How about if I go to the gas station and I want to buy some Cheetos? A huge bag of Cheetos. Gigantic one. The Cheetos are going to cost $5.43. $5.43. How am I going to write that using a dollar sign and a decimal point? Cameron, what do I need to draw first?
A dollar sign.
I need to make my dollar sign first. Everybody do it with me in your desk with your finger. Ready? I have my dollar sign. Now, $5.43 for those Cheetos. What do I need to put next up there, Clifton? $5.43. What's going to come next? I have my dollar sign. $5.43.
Put
I want to write that price tag out. $5.43. I have my dollar sign. What's going to come next? This was $2.56. How am I going to write $5.43?
put 5.
Yep, you got it. 5 is going to be my dollars. What's going to come next? Here. $5.43. I wrote my dollars. Now I have to write my cents. $5.43. $2.56. $5.43. What's going to come next?
Put a 4 and a 3.
A 4 and a 3. Am I finished, first graders? $5.43? Is that what my price tag would look like? Cameron, why are you giving me a no signal?
Because you're supposed to have a dot between the 5 and the 43.
Good. I need a decimal point in between there. What happens if I don't put the decimal point in there, Cameron?
They would think it's $143.
What hundred?
543.
If I don't put my decimal point in there, first graders, they're going to think those Cheetos cost $543. That's not true. They cost $5.43. Good job, Cameron. I'm wondering if I have some first graders that could maybe come up to the board and write some dollar amounts for me if I give you one. I like the way Tatiana's sitting up so nice and strong, so I'm going to ask Tatiana to do the first one. Tatiana, I'm going to give you a dollar amount, and I want to see if you can write it on the board correctly using a dollar sign and a decimal point, okay? Okay, go ahead and go up to the board. My money amount for Tatiana is going to be $1.25. Tatiana, can you use a dollar sign and a decimal point and write $1.25? I want you to watch what Tatiana is doing and see if you would do it the same way. Check and see if she did it correctly. I'll take the marker, Tatiana. All right, first graders. If you would write $1.25 just like that, I want you to stand up. If that's the way that you would write it on the board, I want you to stand up. Uh-oh, I don't see any first graders standing. What does Tatiana need to fix? I'll wait for some more hands. What does Tatiana need to fix? Marquez.
She didn't put a dollar sign.
Tatiana, you forgot your dollar sign. Tatiana needs to have a dollar sign at the beginning of her number. Let's give another first grader a try. Marquez, I want you to go up to the board. I want you to write $6.15. I like the way Debrianna's sitting up so nice and strong while she's watching Marquez. $6.15. I want you to think in your head how you would write it if you had the chance to go up there. $6.15. Let's take a look at what Marquez did. He has a dollar sign, a 6, a decimal point, and a 15. If you would write it that way, I want you to stand up. If that's the way that you would write it. Good, let's give Marquez 2 claps on the count of 3. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Good, you may have a seat. Good job, Marquez. Let's